Hello everyone. Check out the badge I received on LinkedIn in just matter of minutes. And the best part, I did not even know about front-end development. If you are interested in obtaining badges yourself, don't worry. It's super easy. All you have to do is following these two simple steps. You will be well on your way to earning your own badges in no time. Why people do visit LinkedIn? There are various reasons, such as networking, job searching, personal branding, and business development. LinkedIn is also a go to platform for job seekers with more than 20 million job listings available on the site. According to the survey by JobBite, 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find potential job candidates. Check the report by LinkedIn on description. You can find exact statistics so you can find it more relevant to have a badge on yourself. Before we dive into step by step why we need to earn badges after passing the assessment. Earning a badge after passing an assessment can provide several benefits, both for individual and organization offering the assessment. Here are some reasons why. Earning a badge after passing an assessment can provide several benefits, including validation of your skills, motivation yourself, differentiate from others, and credibility. Most important part is credibility. For organizations offering the assessments, badge can provide credibility and quality assurance for their program. It demonstrates that they have established a rigorous assessment process that is recognized and valued by industry professionals. So, if you are a job seeker, passing the assessment and earning a badge would boost your chance to get the desired job. Keep that in mind. Let's move on. I created this video with the intention of helping both beginners and experts. In order to pass the test, I also created a LinkedIn profile. If you already have profile, just skip this using the timeline. You can quickly navigate to the specific point you are interested in. So we do here is creating a LinkedIn account by using our Gmail and logging ourselves and doing the random verification process and do it ourselves. So we just speed up this process and logged in. While the registration process is ongoing, I provide some information on the topic of artificial intelligence tools. Tools such as ChatGPT can assist us in learning things quickly. Instead of complaining, we should make use of these tools. It's important to remember that even after the invention of calculators, maths is still a subject taught in schools. If you are still doubtful, I can share a link with 80 questions and answers for you to try with ChatGPT and check out your answers. So PDF link also in the description downloadable so you make use of it. So here we have it. So you can select next or you can skip yourself. And here the first step, download the extension and add to your Chrome. The extension name is allow, select and copy. You can see on the screen. Just download it first itself. Yes, download it. After that, you can see on the top of right corner on the screen, it already downloaded, and you have to add into your extension, and you can pin that extension to come top of your bar, so you can select them. So it shows the notice that message that you have to click alt plus shift plus a key at once together, and at the same time you have to click enter button. most of the people don't click that. That's why the extension don't work. You have to follow the instruction. You see, we are trying to copy the page, but it does not work. So I show that you after you click those reload extension bar, it won't work because of you have to click the said keys alt plus those keys as it mentioned. So after you press those keys instructed by the creators, you have to click on that tick bar once and then click it again, which will do you a favor. After that, you have to do it again by clicking the relevant keys alt plus shift plus a at the same time and click enter button, and thereafter you have to reload manually your page using the Chrome button. After some time you have to wait 15 to 20 seconds. Still not, it's marking, so you have to wait 15 to 20 seconds before you use the extension. So you have to have the patience. Okay, now try it again. Reload the extension. So you have to manually do it by yourself by clicking on this arrow. So you see it reloading your page, so it's almost ready to use. So you can see that the extension shows that copy by blue color. So you reload it again by extension itself, so you can copy the page. You copy the text whatever you want. That is the first step. And second step is open ChatGPT. So before that, if you need ChatGPT, allow you to give ChatGPT with Step 2, after you open the ChatGPT artificial intelligence, and just paste the question by selecting it, and here you have it, the question and answer for it. So that's it. Keep doing for all 15 questions. So we will speed up the process. You watch till we get the answer. If you find our tricks helpful and made easier your work, then thumbs up and share this video with your contacts. Let us spread easy tech tricks and tips. Further, by subscribing our channel and clicking bell icon, you will never miss any update from us. To wrap up things up, I would like to know your thoughts on ethically of these methods. Also, if you happen to come across an even easier way to achieve the same results, please feel free to share by inserting the link in the comment section below. So we would like to hear your comments and contributions. We appreciate greatly. Thanks. Have a nice day.